back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. It's fantastic and it's amazing recipe. Anyway, I'm going to make it a drink, you know what I mean? couple days ago I did a video talking about ladies drink, and you know what I mean, some people was doing some writing and reviewing on the video, and they was saying, even on Facebook and Twitter, you know, on Instagram, they was like, Chef Ricardo, come on, it's only for the ladies them. What about the men? You're not gonna drink for the man them too. So I said, okay, I have a next drink which I want to make, and this one going to be the first thing we're going to do. Let's remove the label from the wall. Hold on, guys. I can't believe the knife cut that water. So basically they were saying to me, Chef Ricardo, what's going on about the man them? So I said, okay, I'm going to make a drink for the man them. Alright, but there are some people that doesn't follow the instruction of what you've been doing. I'll remove the label. This is a bottle of water. What I'm going to do, I'm going to be doing a cleansing water for your body. Cleansing water for your body. So what you need to do is to make this bottle of water and put it down for 6 hours before you start to drink it. So if you know you're gonna go to your bed in the evening, so you're going to bed at 10 o'clock at night or probably 9 o'clock, you need to make it and leave it either in your fridge or on your counter before you go to your bed, and then drink it. You drink it in the morning, the first thing before you eat your breakfast. Alright, so today I'm going to make a drink. Ladies can have it and the men then can have it also. Big up all of my fans who support me right straight through the ear, and I want to say thank you so much for your time watching my video. So I'm going to show you how you can make a cleansing water for your body. You're cleansing out your system. You know it's coming up to summer, a lot of people are gonna have hay fever and all these things, cold and all these things. So you need something to cleanse your system and, you know what I mean, get rid of certain things inside of your body. So let's go into business as I show you how to make this lovely cleanser. Alright, this is from Chef Ricardo. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. At least 500 likes, 500 comments, I will be happy. Thank you so much for watching this video. So, nice and lovely. As you can see over here, all of my ingredients is right here. So first thing I want to say to you, I got ginger, fresh ginger. This is some fresh mint, fresh cucumber, lime, apple cider vinegar, and some garlic. All of these ingredients is a cleanser for your body, and all of these ingredients, it is natural ingredients, which is good for you. Some people want to put honey, but if you want to put honey inside of it, remember you have to use the raw honey. You know what I mean? You can't use the one with have sugar and have chemical inside of it. If you're going to use a bottle of water, make sure you read the instruction on the water, because some water got chemical in it and you don't want to use that one. Alright? So first thing, as you notice, I have a small bottle of water right here to demonstrate it, to show you how you're going to do your cleanser for your water. First thing, I have some apple cider vinegar, and as you can see right here, inside of the apple cider vinegar, it's settled, so you need to give it a shake. Wake up the apple cider vinegar. So this is going to be a cleansing water for your body, and it will help you to lose weight and detox your body right straight through the year. Alright, if you can drink this every day, even for 6 weeks straight, honestly, you will see some powerful result inside of your system. It is coming up to spring, and summer is just around the corner. A lot of people suffer from hay fever. All of these ingredients is good for hay fever also. So first thing, give the apple cider vinegar a good shake, and all I'm going to do is take off my cork, and I'm just gonna pop a cork full of the apple cider vinegar inside of the water. What I want to say to you, don't just go to the shop and buy a bottle of apple cider vinegar. Remember, buy the one that said original matters. the raw vinegar. That's the one you need to use. So I put a cork of the upper side of vinegar. Garlic, a lot of people doesn't like garlic. They say garlic makes bread smell and stink and all these things. But garlic is really powerful. You know what I mean? My grandmother always say, what you don't like is good for you. Alright? So all you need to do, you can just simple cut into half or crush it and put it in the water like this. Nice one. Second thing, we're going to get the cucumber. I'm going to do two slices and put it straight inside of it like this. Lemon. A lot of people doesn't like lemon. My grandmother said, what's not good for you, what you don't like, it is good for you. Put a few slices down inside of the water. Ginger is a must. Alright. Put a few pieces down in the water. Like this. Ginger. A lot of people doesn't like ginger. Mint. Some people like mint, some people doesn't. All you need to do, just break off a piece of mint like this and put it down inside of the water. Then what you're going to do is to finish, fill up the water, the bucket with some water. Coming. As you can see, some people will want to use honey inside of the water, but you don't need to use honey. You just want to keep it natural and real. Alright? Alright, so look at this. This is fantastic, nice and lovely. Alright, so guys, that's exactly what I'm talking about. A cleanser for your body. This is it right here, and this is all of the ingredients right here. If you use all of these ingredients at home in your kitchen, you will see exactly. You can drink this right straight through the day, but remember, you need to make this and put it down for 6 hours before you start to drink it. 6 hours before you start to drink it. Don't start drinking it and say, Chef Ricardo say, yes, you just must start drinking it. No, start to drink this in 6 hours time. You can drink it before you go to your bed at night, and you can drink this in the morning when you wake up. The reason why, the mint, the ginger, everything have to work together inside of it. So like tomorrow morning now, I will make this and put it down for 6 hours, and I will drink it first thing in the morning, or make it before I go to work and leave it on my work surface like this, and come from work and I will drink it before I go to my bed. So guys, hopefully this will be a benefit to you, and I'm just introduce someone to my cleansing water. That's my new recipe. You know what I mean? Because some of my fans that was cussing me said I didn't make any drink for them and them, only for the ladies them. So this time I make a drink for everyone. Okay, so hopefully you will love this one, and also you can make this and bring it to work and share with your colleagues them, and tell your friend them that you saw that Chef Ricardo make a cleansing water for your body and how to lose weight and detox your body. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I said 500 likes, 500 comments, I will be happy. Alright, thank you so much and see you next time. Bye bye.